Alright guys, so my new patio set, the Albany Lane 6-piece patio dining in black from Mainstays, so Walmart, came in today. I'm being a little ghetto. We are outside on the driveway because this box was too heavy to carry to the back. I probably could have half done it in the front because the chairs actually come already pre-installed. You just had to take them out, and that really lightened the box. At first I thought the table was assembled. As you can look, I kind of opened it and realized it's not. Just because I saw the bars, I thought maybe it came pre-assembled too. It is not. So that's what we're about to conquer. And I think the umbrella is just two pieces you pop together. I did notice while it was shipped that it did get abused. I'm pretty sure this hole right here is the culprit because I have a hole in my umbrella. This box, when it came to me, was destroyed. It was actually ripped open at the top, and the lady told me, oh, it's okay, nothing fell out. Not that, you know, you probably damaged my shit, but we'll see what else and how this table goes, how I'd rate assembling, but so far, not too bad. Also, something they don't tell you that you need to know is when you buy this, yes, it comes with the umbrella and it goes in between the table, but you will need a umbrella stand to keep your umbrella from blowing away. I did buy the cheap one, so we'll see how that goes. It says you can fill up with sand or water. Alright, so this doesn't look like it's going to be too complicated. We got one heavy piece, that is the glass. This piece here in the middle is permanently on there. And then we have 4 legs and this square piece in the middle. So let's see how this goes. The first step's going to be real simple. It's just a pop and click the leg. Alright, so I've got each 4 of these kind of hand on there. If you look, there was a bolt that already came with a nut, and a nut, and then the NG screw, if it'll focus. But I guess not. When you do your final tightening, they did give you a double-sided tool. On 2 of them, you'll have to use the wrench side. On 2 of them, you'll use more of the socket side, while you use the screwdriver and twist righty-tighty. Alright, the table, I believe, is assembled. It didn't take that long.